as we see frequent changes and volatility in the market due to the external factors?
So very good question, Siddharth. So cryptocurrency and like any other market, right? Cryptocurrencies has risk as well, but investments are secure because this is a growing field. Like अगर आप stock market को देखोगे, उसमें भी stocks का price ऊपर नीचे जाता है, external factor से जाता है, how the company does, उसकी वजह से जाता है. Crypto में भी similar ही होता है, right? And crypto being just in the limelight for say the last 10-12 years, it's still evolving, right? But cryptocurrency एक नया concept लेकर आता है, which is decentralization, which is creating trustless applications and giving power to the people to build amazing products. So how this is how it holds its value, and obviously since the industry is so new, as it grows, the stability will come to the market, and it would become less volatile over time. But today it's definitely volatile, but it's not risky. It is an opportunity for people to be part of the future of cryptocurrencies.
Okay, definitely it's coming from you. ये जो advice आप दे रहे हैं, जो बता रहे हैं, definitely ये सही होगी because आप खुद CoinSwitch कुबेर के CEO हैं and co-founder हैं, so definitely it will be a good thing to do and invest. So एक और question है, वो ये है कि like do we have any authority that regulates cryptocurrency trading in India as SEBI, Securities and Exchange of Board of India, regulates the stock markets?
So, like we discussed, right? So, crypto is a very new concept. अभी इंडिया में इसके रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन बनने बाकी हैं. तो अभी it doesn't come under SEBI or RBI purview in terms of proper regulations. But we as CoinSwitch Kuber and the leading exchange in India work with a lot of partners, including Finance Ministry, RBI, and the Parliament to create those rules as we go on. तो आज कोई रूल नहीं है to answer you simply, but we are working very closely with all the stakeholders to get those rules in India, rules and regulations in India.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. So yeah, the third question is, what is the underlying value of cryptocurrency? What actually provides security to cryptocurrencies?
So cryptocurrency is a very new concept, right? Crypto and
Right.
blockchain. So जब blockchain आया था, तो it kind of allows people to do transfer of funds or transfer of money without using any third party or without relying on banks and any financial institution for that matter. So initially it value derived from that. But as the crypto and the blockchain market evolved, it can solve now hundreds of more use cases. You want to take a loan, you don't have to go to a bank. Crypto peer-to-peer loan can be secured on through cryptocurrencies itself, through blockchain itself, which and solving these use cases now derives value to those cryptocurrencies. Today there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, everyone trying to solve a different use case altogether. So it's like a startup, right? Every startup trying to create a new product, and their value comes from the value of the product itself.
Basically, it's a digital asset for you.
Yes. Yes.
That's great. Okay. So as you are the CEO of CoinSwitch, let me ask you a question. How does CoinSwitch ensure safety of its users? Any safety recommendation or advice you would like to share with your users?
Okay. So CoinSwitch Kuber works, very, very hard and works with, some of the best cybersecurity firms around the world, making sure that our platform is the most secure platform in India. Help user invest as simply as ordering food online, removing all the complexities of cryptocurrencies while users are getting and investing their hard-earned money into the platform. We have curated the platform in such a way that anyone in India can invest simply and can be assured that CoinSwitch Kuber will take the responsibility of securing those funds for them. Right? Advice is one simple thing. Like you also said that you're investing your hard-earned money, so you should do your research as well. You should figure out how the platform is securing you, what is the best platform to invest in, and what are the best currencies to invest in as well. So you should definitely do your research before getting into cryptocurrencies or getting into any platform to start investing in cryptocurrencies.
Definitely, because सब लोग बहुत मेहनत से पैसा कमाते हैं, and the important thing is कि वो किस तरह invest करते हैं. So I think बहुत ज़रूरी है जब आप पैसा कमाएँ तो आपको अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कहाँ करना है, कैसे करना है वो आना चाहिए विद सिक्योरिटी। तो आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग देन बिकॉज़ अगर आपका जो ऐप है, your app is making things very easy and
Yeah.
has the hope that it's secure and safe, and definitely it's a good thing to think on. So yeah, one more question. Cryptocurrencies are blocked by solid blockchain. Sorry, wait a minute. Huh. Cryptocurrencies are backed by solid blockchain technologies. How will it help in unifying the world? What is the level of impact it will have on mankind?
So cryptocurrencies, think of it like, it is banking the unbanked, right? आपको सिर्फ एक फोन चाहिए, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चाहिए, और आप पूरी वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी से कनेक्टेड हो गए। आप पूरी दुनिया इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, आपको भी सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही हैं टू इन्वेस्ट, टू यूज these cryptocurrencies and to be part of the financial ecosystem. So what I particularly believe in is the financial freedom which cryptocurrencies and blockchain are providing to the world, and India being part of it and being so digitally friendly, where a lot of people, the internet penetration is so high. With just a mobile phone and internet, now you can be part of this economy itself. So that is the impact that it is creating, not just
Hmm.
in India, but around the world.
Around the globally.
Yes.
I think ये सारे questions तो मेरे थे जो मैंने निकाले थे, but I think there are more people who are asking कि
Yeah.
can I ask one more question because इसमें लिखा हुआ है वो question. Uh, what's the difference between investing in cryptocurrency and investing in a bank?
Investing in a bank, I'm assuming it's fixed deposits
Yeah.
that people are asking for. So, investment is a bigger concept, right? Investment is not just one size fits all. तो जब आप इन्वेस्ट करने जाते हो, वहां पे स्टॉक्स भी होता है, म्यूचुअल फंड भी होता है, फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स भी होता है, क्रिप्टो करेंसी भी होता है। तो एज अ यूजर यू शुड बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिस्क, अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी, एंड क्रिएट दैट पोर्टफोलियो फॉर यू। जब आप यंग होते हो तो आप ज्यादा रिस्क ले सकते हो, राइट? बट
Right.
आप जब से आपकी शादी हो गई है, आपके यू हैव किड्स, सो यू हैव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यू कांट अफोर्ड टू टेक दैट रिस्क। सो सब लोगों को अपना पोर्टफोलियो जो बनाना चाहिए वो सोच के बनाना चाहिए ऑन व्हाट दे वांट टू अचीव आउट ऑफ इट, हाउ मच रिस्क दे कैन टेक, हाउ मच रिवॉर्ड दे सीक आउट ऑफ दोज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। तो it's a blanket statement saying no, don't invest in a fixed deposit and invest in cryptocurrency would be incorrect. But what I can say is that figure out what you want to achieve, how much risk you can take, and what kind of diversified portfolio you want to build for your future, right? And I personally believe that cryptocurrency should be part of every individual's portfolio, no matter how small, but it has to be part of every individual's portfolio.
Okay, that's amazing. I think you're very right. Thank you so much, Ashish bhai, for giving such good answers. एकदम बहुत जरूरी था ये सब कुछ जानना about the cryptocurrencies and about CoinSwitch also, because I have pinned a comment that download CoinSwitch.co app and get worth rupees 50. So people are asking why should we download CoinSwitch?
So CoinSwitch is, India's biggest retail crypto platform. We have over 7.5 million users, with almost reaching 1 crore users in India, right? We take care of their security and create the platform, such an easy platform where anyone can, with a single click, invest in cryptocurrencies without knowing the complexities of cryptocurrencies. And that is the reason, because of its simplicity and security, is why you should choose CoinSwitch Kuber for your investments.
I'm already choosing then.
Thanks a lot, Siddharth. Thank you.
But thank you so much, Ashish bhai, for giving your time. It really means a lot. कि आपने अपना टाइम दिया और हमें ये सारे डाउट से क्लियर किया और एक राइट पाथ दिखाया. So thank you so much for talking to me, and thank you so much for clearing out our doubts. It was lovely talking to you,
Same
and
here, Siddharth.
down.
Thanks a lot for inviting me. Thank you.
My pleasure talking to you.
Yeah.
See you
Thanks.
soon.
You. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. सो आई थिंक आज का ये जो लाइव सेशन था ये वाकई बहुत अच्छा रहा, बिकॉज हमें बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला और हमारे बहुत सारे डाउट्स जो हैं वो क्लियर हो गए। एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू आशीष भाई, आशीष सिंघल, जो कि को फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ कॉइन स्विच कुबेर हैं, कुबेर के हैं। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि ये जो न्यू चीज़ है, जहाँ पे आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, वो स्लोली स्लोली ग्रो कर रही है। और ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग जैसे कि आशीष भाई हैं, ऐसे ऐप बना रहे हैं जो कि हमें सेफ्टी इंश्योर करते हैं, ताकि हमें सिक्योरिटी रहे और हम सेफ फील कर पाए इनके साथ। तो या थैंक यू सो मच माय पीपल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव, बिकॉज ये लाइव बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट था। और जिन्होंने देखा है डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू बिकम a very good entrepreneur. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this live. Love you all. Take care. And yeah, my heart belongs to you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.